the weather. Here's Riley.
The radar here. Obviously nothing is going on the radar at this point, but let's switch over to the temperature map at this point. So the temperatures right now in Sioux Falls about -15. -15 in Sioux Falls, -18 in Marshall, -16 up in Millbank, -16 in Aberdeen, -20 in Huron. And as we move over to the west, so -8 in Pierre, -10 up in Dupree. It's a little bit warmer out to the west near Rapid City at about 3 degrees. So let's take a look at the wind map now. And winds, more south winds as you look to so as we go to the west here, winds are about 5 to 15 miles an hour across the state. Southern winds in the west, and then you move over to the east and you will have northwest winds, northwest at 9 in Sioux Falls. So let's take a look at today's forecast. So today's forecast, so 29 degrees in Sioux Falls, 27 in Aberdeen, 34 in Pierre, and 34 in Rapid City. Winds will be about 10 to 20 miles an hour, gusts 25 to 30. As we have some snow showers around the state as well. Let's take a look at tonight's forecast. It's going to be a cold one for sure. -12 in Sioux Falls, -17 in Aberdeen, -6 in Pierre, and 5 degrees in Rapid City. Winds will also be a little bit calmer overnight, but still a little breezy. And then we take a look at tomorrow's forecast. It'll be, again, another cold one. It'll be the coldest day of the week. 0 in Sioux Falls, -1 in Aberdeen, 11 in Pierre, and a little bit warmer out to the west in Rapid City at 24. Winds will be a little quieter as well, 5 to 10 miles an hour. And let's take a look at your 7-day forecast in Sioux Falls. So that slight chance of snow is all we're going to get this week out of moisture. Thursday is going to be the coldest day of the week with 2 degrees, and then look at the warm-up. Low to mid-30s Friday through Tuesday. So it's going to be a nice way to kick off the weekend as well as into early next week. So that about does it for weather now. Let's send it back over to Michael.